So as the time of the year heads towards winter, my attention actually turns to looking at condition of tyres, not only on my classic vehicles but also on my everyday vehicles. One thing that often gets neglected is the tyres which obviously wear out the least, which on a front wheel drive car is usually the rear tyres. And when you obviously replace a tyre, you typically replace the fronts, and a lot of people don't swap the fronts to the back or backs to the front rather. So take a look at the DOT data here. 5117. That is the 51st week of 2017. So you also want to inspect the sidewall for cracks, and if the tyres have any signs of cracks, or if they are over 6 years old, then you might want to consider replacing them.